See, the whole idea with this is that you never miss your skateboard trick. We are out here today to test the world's first Hover Air X1 self-heat-seeking guided missile camera.
That was my made-up name for it.
Okay.
That's not the real name.
We're here to test this camera, which I believe can literally take off from the palm of your hand and then follow you as you skate down this hill. We're gonna see if Chloe can skate down the hill. Okay, so this is Hover Air X1. Bada boom, bada bing. And we're just gonna open this bad boy up and then pull it open. Look at that. So I think it goes like this.
And look, a little case.
Wow, little bag. I downloaded the app on my phone. I've never done this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. Did not read the directions like I probably should have.
2 seconds.
1, 2.
I think that was it. Oh, hello.
Okay, so the camera goes like this. Tap it.
Current mode, hover. Please connect to your phone and activate your device with the hover app.
Current mode, hover. Why is everything so futuristic now? Activate. If it just starts flying, I'm gonna freak out.
I don't think it will.
Activation successful. Before starting your flight, pick up your hover and follow me. Complete 7 small tasks. Are you ready? I don't think I can complete 7 small tasks. It's been a rough day.
I think it's gonna now follow you.
Oh wait, you hold it then.
Yeah, but Danny's also gonna try it.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
Yeah.
Yes, she
We
is.
brought my wife with us skating today. We got special guest Danny Cairo on the scene. Please use the other hand to short press the power button, not a long press, just short press.
I know what a short press is.
Hover after completing the flight path.
Hover will automatically take off and hover in there.
Oh, I see. And hold it. Whoa!
Okay, that's legit so cool. The red light indicates filming in progress. It's
Oh my
filming
gosh,
right
it's
now.
filming. Look, it follows me.
No way.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, no way.
It's following me.
Stand up.
It's like a UFO.
No, it said hold the phone one.
It's landing, it's landing.
Wow, that was cool.
Okay, that scared the living out of me. Oh yeah, 7 small taps. I literally got to 4 and I freaked
Okay.
out. Try moving your position and hover camera will always follow you.
Ooh.
After shooting, please place your palm directly under the hover and wait for the hover to land automatically. This is some futuristic stuff. I ain't gonna lie.
Continue. Hover.
Oh, here it goes.
Going again. Oh, it wants you to do it again. Like, make it land.
It landed, it landed.
Okay, good. After the propeller shut off, the flight is officially completed. Understood. Okay, it has on the app, it has all these different modes. Flight modes: bird's eye, snapshot, dolly track, manual control. Should I do manual control?
Ooh, I don't know we're ready for that.
Why?
But
Manual.
Do you know how to control it?
Yeah.
What about the warm missile one? Smart control, that sounds about right. That's where we are.
Maybe we're on basic.
We're on basic for sure.
Hover, take a look. So it shows a little guy who's like skateboarding. See that? Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Go.
Follow.
Follow.
That's the guy.
Continue.
Oh.
Follow.
Ooh.
See, the whole idea with this is that you never miss your skateboard trick.
Okay.
So now, do a skateboard trick.
Do a skateboard trick.
Like, go the other way maybe? Wait, not into it, Chloe!
Wait, look.
It's
It
gonna
turned.
follow me.
No way! No way! Abort mission! What about the tree? She didn't know how to stop.
Okay, we're gonna go that way.
Oh wow, it really knows how to brake.
Keep
too.
skating up.
It's easier to skate down.
Is it?
Yeah,
Wow, it's legit following you like really well.
I know.
Look at that thing. Okay, now go put your hand under it and see if it lands.
Oh my god.
It's like a little pet.
How does it actually know that?
That's amazing.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's actually so amazing.
I'm so excited about this thing.
Now you can skate, you can get all your kick flips.
I know.
Okay, I think we've started to figure it out here.
Okay,
What should we do? Should we try another one? Bird's eye.
okay. I wonder if it can go super high. Oh, that's what bird's eye is. Okay, we ready?
What about that tree? I mean,
16 feet. Bird eye.
Okay, go up. Ooh, there it goes. But over here.
16 feet. But no, not over there. The tree. The tree.
No, I think the tree is over there.
Wow.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Wait, how are we gonna get it down?
I don't know. Do you do it on your phone? Come here, come here.
Is that how you do it?
I think so.
Wow. You caught a flying bird.
I did. It feels like it's like a pet. It really does. It has that feel.
It's actually so cool though,
I
right?
know it is. Okay, do another one.
Orbit, which apparently probably just orbits around you.
Okay, I'm getting the hang of it.
Orbit.
5 feet orbit.
Do I have to move?
I have no
Oh,
idea.
what's it doing?
It's gonna go around you, I think. Is the red light on?
The red light is on.
Yeah, it is on.
Oh my gosh.
Which means it's filming.
You are too cute, you little thing.
You little guy.
You little
It's the
guy.
cutest little guy I've ever seen.
Come here. Come here. Oh, good boy. So awesome. It's my favorite.
It actually is so awesome. Congrats on unlocking manual control.
Yes. Are you so jealous that we get to run around with this thing? Okay.
Manual control.
Yeah. Now it is. Oh, oh, oh.
Don't worry. Oh yeah, so I can just control it with the phone.
Yeah. But it's not on heat seeking, so we trust that you're gonna get it. The red light means it's filming. It's not filming. You must have to click something. There it is. Now it's
Oh,
filming.
I got it.
I think I want to just roll down the hill. Ready?
Yeah.
Woo! It's tickling my feet. I think you missed the shot, Aaron.
Okay, so I missed the shot. Okay, I messed up. I'm gonna do it again. Now we're gonna do that same thing, and we're gonna do the follow mode.
Yeah.
See if it'll do fine. Oh yeah, that's so wild that it does that. That's so cool.
It knows me. Should I grind this rail?
Yeah.
Continue. Follow.
The red light on?
Yeah.
So weird. Now push it again and it'll follow you up.
Continue. Follow.
This is so funny.
What? It's actually so good though.
I know.
Try running away from it, scared.
Run as fast as you can.
Ah!
Wow, it really follows well.
Run this way.
Okay, skate
It's
down the
so
hill again.
cool. Okay, see if it follows anyone else who gets in the frame. So Danny, come on out.
I don't think so. I don't think it will.
won't. What if I try to put my hands?
Yeah, see if it's loyal. Oh, it doesn't trust you.
Get in front of it.
Get in front of it, yeah. It's like, get out of the way. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama's here. Mama's here.
Okay, this is incredible.
But what? It's because of the first time, because it has you hold it in front of your face.
Yeah.
And then it goes to activate
so
to your
creepy.
face.
So it knows me.
Isn't
What
that
if
weird?
it wake up in the middle of the night and it's just
In your face. Hello, Chloe. Mission accomplished.
It would be like, hello.
Okay, what other tests do we have for this thing?
Like speed? I mean, it went pretty fast.
It did go really fast. Okay,
What if
the thing
you
that I
did-
found was
oh.
so interesting is like when I was manually controlling, I was going like pushing it forward as fast as it could go, and it was way too slow. Then we put it on just follow her and just followed.
Yeah.
But I don't want you to go faster because I'm scared about you rolling down this hill.
I haven't done it so far.
So you want to go faster?
A little bit.
Okay, yeah,
I can
run
go
it.
A little bit faster.
This is also Chloe learns how to bomb a hill. This is 2 videos in one.
Okay, let's go, buddy.
No battery.
No. Oh, man.
No battery.
Okay.
He's hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Okay, this is officially my favorite thing.
Cool, right?
Yeah, and there, it's a weird thing where you do feel like it's like you're a little guy.
Okay, well that was really fascinating, quite mind-blowing, honestly. It just folds up just like that, super portable, and then pulls out. And then, I mean, the thing that I'm most impressed with is how well it was able to follow you.
Yeah.
Your little friend.
My
Your new
little friend.
Hey, little buddy. So on the app, you just choose whichever one you want. You can go to like follow mode or spin around mode. There's all kinds of different ones. Or manually control, or the one that goes straight up into the air and pushes down. But yeah, super easy to use.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, did you find it? Yeah. Wait, how do you do this again?
Fold out the wings.
Oh, it's a manual fold out.
Yeah.
I thought I did.
Ah.
Current mode. Follow.
Danny, should we?
Continue.
No.
I feel like you would actually love this.
Yeah, it's cool. I'm watching. No, I know, but you would like feel the bond I feel. Oh wow, that one's faster.
When she runs far away, it just really blitzes after her.
All right, buddy, let's do this.
As fast as you can.
Whoa.
Yeah, go up and down as fast as you can.
No, I didn't.
That footage is gonna be hilarious.
You ready?
You're gonna skate fast. This is sketchy. You're running.
I hit him.
You hit him. Oh no, man, down.
No, I'm sorry.
He landed.
I'm sorry.
He landed.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna do this again.
Battery.
Low battery. I killed him. At least we got the jumping jacks.
Yeah.
I got an idea. You skate down the hill,
It's not gonna
Chase
film.
me.
Okay, go ahead. But I
Okay.
don't think it's filming anyways.
but you were filming.
Okay, that's true. Okay, well, it's super cool. It's very light and very easy to use. I'm really impressed with how well it follows.
Me too. It's my favorite little guy.
So if you're a beginning skateboarder and you wanted to just go out and film some stuff, as it says, you would never miss the trick. Just put it to follow and then go and skate wherever and just have it film you. And then you can learn your ollies, shove-its, backside 180s, frontside 180s, and you will never miss the trick.
So fun.
Huge shout out to Hover for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, you can click that link right down there in the description and have an absolute blast filming yourself learning how to ride a skateboard. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.
Okay, seriously, my favorite little thing.
It is really cool.
Yeah.